Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BBBY, Bed Bath & Beyond. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame, and it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping outward levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Quite the eventful day today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down there at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on it. So let's map out some levels of support and resistance as we head into Friday. First level of support is what I would call the ideal level. And if I say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up there above $11.75. Now, don't get me wrong. It's not like if the price falls below $11.75, then that implies the entire chart is destroyed or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above $11.75, that would certainly be a big sign of strength going forward. If the price cannot hold above there, then I just want to make sure I'm not missing out on anything. Then we'll use these lines. The next key level of support to keep an eye on would be that previous breakout point, and that sits there right around the $11 mark. So I'll zoom back in so things don't, a little bit easier to see. So again, 11.75 and then 11, next couple of areas of support. From the overarching point of view, keep an eye on the purple line right there, the 50 period simple moving average. As the name implies, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move. That right there I am defining as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 11.75 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance going forward? In the very near term, key level of resistance that'll first need to be broken is right up there around $12.15. If the price can get up through $12.15, next key overarching level after that is just simply where the party stopped today, and that was right up there around $12.70. So yes, $12.70, I realize that's a fun level to talk about because it is fun to talk about testing previous highs and breaking new highs and all that good stuff. But in many cases, as is the case here, usually there's an initial level that needs to be crossed, and in this situation, that initial level, again, right down there around the 12.15 mark. But all in all, great movement today, great volume. Now it's just a question of can the price build upon this momentum going forward? Let's see what happens. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.